Marapo, you know, say me about Supreme Court so.
But Supreme Court we man.
And Supreme Court. You see, Supreme Court case in Omkana, and your case about a yemono. One, if you look at the Constitution of Ghana, go and read this Supreme Court case of Abu Ramadan, Evans Nimakon versus the Electoral Commission Attorney General. Blanford Abbey started that judgment by saying so, or ruling by saying so. Ghana Constitution, making reference to Article 2 and then 131. Until law be and Ghana Constitution were brand. As a law not at all. Now the framers of the Constitution in 1992 has singled out only the speaker. So speaker no belong to political party. And to that extent, no, going by the whole president, no, say speaker no, or a parliamentarian here being speaker, as a so few on here by elections. And it happened during the Doha time. And to that extent, no, said or your first deputy speaker, second deputy speaker, because he represents a constituency, no, it is never capturing the constitution so intimate to about. But the moment must stand on others be so intimate to about. Outstanding orders are inconsistent with an contravention of Ghana's constitution. And to that extent, you know, that standing orders, you know, ought to be declared as null and void. No wonder the Supreme Court struck those down. Now, take the case of Tufo versus the Attorney General. In Tufo versus Attorney General, when Hilal Imam, no person Pam Apollo, and Dr. Makoto for at the court, the Supreme Court said that the Constitution of Ghana is a living organism. Living organism. Just any with time and and yes statics. Because to be anticipated about 137, 137 or 137, 138. And to that extent, said the number one thing that I said, I'm interpreting the same years I got ultimate trouble. So that is the more reason why Alban Babin said, Nana Kufuado statement, I disagree. That is not the position of the law. That statement by Alban Babin is fundamentally wrong, misconceived, legally untenable. That is wrong. Because the position of Nana Kufuado said, the Premier President, I am subject to the Constitution. Ubenyano, Balongo versus Adisai. Ubenyano to 4 versus Attorney General. Ubenyano that statement in Abu Ramadan, Evans Nimakon versus the Electoral Commission. Ubenyano available, the reform versus available. Yeah, available approach from Korea Shikana, the court na, Wabu lawyer and Kabi Bata say, and NDC Shikabia, and Yagana Banishika. The highest court of the land has a Wubwa, and yes, sanity. Now go and read also the case of the Tommy Thompson's case, which went to the Supreme Court, Radio I, in 1992. The person about yes, 22 or 93, the person about yes, set up here in your permission because the Constitution gives us. The Supreme Court said that should be subject to other regulations. That is not the end of it. Go back and read the Supreme Court decision of the Republic versus High Court. That party is Anita Rollins. Interested party, Ishwelashiti. And the Supreme Court was categorical. Atuguba JSC, the majority 3-2. There. So, party, party, no. No, Mrana was any Ghana Constitution, Webra, party in Mrano, Ebetiato. Now, there is the case of the Republic versus High Court. That party, Chumba Kodia. Oh, and look at that one. And the Supreme Court, New Patriotic Party, that was exactly what the Supreme Court said. Go and look at the Polafoko versus the New Patriotic Party. The High Court said that, look, this is a political party. It's being guided by rules and regulations. And to Timinka says, say. However, the rules and regulations of the party, it makes from Ghana Constitution. In here, Sankoya Sabika versus the New Patriotic Party. You have that decision. You understand? So, cases, once again, Abu Ramadan, Evans Nimakon, and you 2 cases. Koshe, even in Abu Ramadan too, where the electoral commission electoral commissioner Jatum said, who the health insurance I could register for voters Agikan. Parliament is so jitum. Parliament is so jitum. Electoral body no Parliament jitum. The Supreme Court, the mayor Asante Bedi too, and Frank Davis and who went to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court to our master. So, it is inconsistent with Ghana's constitution. So, Supreme Court went to a secretary electoral commission said, I want to even for health insurance and register. Now let me give you the case of Tenadi, Brigadier Tenadi, there's the electoral commission and attorney general. In that case, Brigadier Tenadi, no, baby, or Canada, open by registration, no person register, and he went to court. The Supreme Court ordered the electoral commission to reopen for Brigadier Tenadi to register. Even though the electoral commission says, Supreme Court ordered. Let me give you another case. Dr. Makuto for Madraba Damwa, that's the electoral commission. I don't know, Sadreno, say, woman, the name can say, that's why we are special voting, then canning, woman canning. And they went to court. The Supreme Court said, no, that is not possible. At Tuguba JS. So, plenty cases. So, if you have Alban Babin saying, sir, Nyana Akufo-Addo can it is unfortunate, it's unacceptable, it's mischievous, it's a dangerous precedent, and fundamentally flawed, legally flawed, that statement. Now, Alban Babin, the statement, or cash that was outlined on the Queen, NDC, or NDC, the lawyer now the Queen, NDC, or Copenhagen. That's the chief speaker, Kase, and it's at their on-call review. I am sorry, I'm giving my senior tutorials in law. I don't need to. You do the Sadano, the Panasa Papa, Alban Babin, Haruna Idrisu, Minister Fuseni. These are some of the characters in NDC. No Kreni, Nibuampa, Samofu, Sampofu. I said, look at Yano, Nibuno. No, she know the matter. You said, I am Madam for. Let me see on a more serious note. The Speaker of Parliament, Alban Babin, can't that is a good uncle reviewer. That is wrong. Why? It is conceived. Why? In recent Supreme Court cases, opinion Jakwan, solicited by Yawasari versus Edefo Agent, March 2020, Supreme Court, unquestioned the decision of the Supreme Court. Unless there is a substantial miscarriage of justice, unless there is an error committed by the Supreme Court, and that error has resulted in a substantial miscarriage of justice, the Supreme Court can review now. In fact, I sat in Daniel Ofuri versus the EcoBank and others, and also 2020 or 2021, and also where you can go for review. Nana. Now why you have 7-0? Then you are telling me to go for review. Nana. Yes.
Producer, no do abapa ho. Ese me pon
no do abapa ho.
Ese me pon no do pepe.
Oh, sir. In conclusion, my name is Katonse. Matilda Sam George Kase. Okay, onzo amasake down others na. Ya ati muda mumma parliament be hu nebishi. I am also using this opportunity as the Deputy General Secretary. The catcher MP for us say. Sabukono sa Sam George no, ya omuye na kiti aba. Monko, you are me. Don't run away like tomorrow shows.
Also, Mungo.
Tanko, Sam George na kope jabaye.
Hey,
Sam George say. Sam George say.
I'm going to say, kiti. Akutu.
Sam George and Kato.
I'm a match idea.
Bisa Sam George, you better bebe yemi. Bisa Sam George, don't know Sam George. First, let me tell you before
the sea almost and before the sea almost.
Let's because you see, Supreme Court number decision. We are supposed we must respect that decision. Now, some of some judge say, you must sack it there, you're quite the money this you are. I am happy to OPK in price of man we are a pa. Or say, then you can go. Then you can get cancer. I fully endorse the stand of OPK. And no one endorse who come for out on the Bema. Who come for? Supreme Court aka. O kama MPP no kama NDC o kama Ghana. Aka say ye bua be hia o. Ako hia na jese wa yende.
NDC for na moja munfo wo mu.
Only from
NDC minority moja munfo wo mu.
I the majority so moja munfo ni. But Minister for Youth and Sports no. You better be betrayed in Yasano. And that from next time be I see
it will be a corner or Puma to grass.
But I'm saying that I'm acting like a responsible person and a seasoned lawyer and a reasonable guy.
But that's because
I'm going to say some because a minister is so much a can any boy. Do you think you could go have monopoly over violence?
Nana, but that's a brave.
I need some Mampusio. Won't you say an amount for fun?
But that's
Mampusio. Come back and Ringumiko. The food. And then I'll pass out from you. Mampusio. Come on, Pusio. What you might Mampusio. Come back and Ringumiko.